You played us, Morgan.
No, I did what you asked me to do.
No, you went to a mob summit and you got Sonny on tape discussing coffee.
That's Sonny's business.
You tipped him into not saying anything incriminating within range of your wire, and now you're out of options. You give me solid evidence of RICO violations committed by Sonny Corinthos, or I will put you and Damien Spinelli in prison for life.
I got nothing to say without my attorney.
Your attorney is not going to save you now. We have proof of multiple offenses by Damien Spinelli, including treason for hacking into classified government sites. And now evidence against him is evidence against you. Spinelli was acting on your behalf, and you profited from every file he hacked into. Now, given your rap sheet, there is not a judge or jury in this country that wouldn't convict you.
File charges against me, you leave Spinelli out of it.
No, too late for that. When you sabotaged that wire you were wearing, you gave up any goodwill I had for your protege.
I got you, Anthony Zaccaro.
You were working for Corinthos for more than a decade. You knew damn well he was the target of my investigation, so you didn't want to cooperate. So I will settle for you and your protege.
You told me that Spinelli's no criminal. Putting him away gets you nothing.
I got you. Oh, no, it's not as high profile as Corinthos, but putting away his right-hand man, well, that just might be enough to convince somebody deep inside the organization to start talking.
Only authorized personnel are allowed. Now you show me your ID before I call security.
Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Agent Compton.
Agent Compton, what gives you the authority to question me?
Your passcode's right in your hand. Let me see it.
Agent Sam, Yules. There you are. I've been looking for you all over.
My client has been wrongfully detained. You are guilty of harassment, violations of civil rights, actions which are, of course, illegal. So unless you want to spend the next year in court...
Give me all the attitude you want, but I'm placing Jason Morgan and Damien Spinelli under arrest.
On what grounds?
Espionage, fraud, conspiracy, treason, and multiple lesser-included offenses committed by Mr. Spinelli on behalf of Mr. Morgan.
I am so sorry, Agent Leeds. I guess I got turned around. I mean, the floor plan here is way more confusing than the one in Seattle.
This case is high priority and time is critical.
Yes,
Meet
ma'am.
me in my office.
Got it.
I need you to go to the PCPD and pick up files. I'll walk you out and give you the particulars. Let's go, Agent Compton.
Your allegations are completely unsubstantiated. This entire case has been fabricated out of smoke and mirrors.
Stone Cold. Jekyll offers
Mr. Spinelli, what a pleasure. I hope you didn't think we couldn't find him when we wanted.
You warned me, but I wouldn't listen.
Okay, Mr. Spinelli, you will refrain from further commentary.
But I have failed Stone Cold and all who believed in me.
Well, Mr. Morgan failed you, too, because when push came to shove, he chose sending you to prison over giving evidence against Sonny.
I'm ready to offer a full confession that
No, be quiet.
No, in no way, shape, or form was I hacking under Jason Morgan's orders or for his benefit.
Diane, can you do something?
And she's not going to be able to help.
On the contrary, I have yet to see one shred of this so-called evidence against Mr. Spinelli, if it even exists.
Oh, it exists, all right.
Then prove it. You bring it to this office right now, or I will file a writ, and we can take this whole thing to a judge.
Spare me your legal gymnastics. We've got enough evidence to put these two away for the rest of their natural lives.
Agent Rayner.
You've got copies of the evidence for Ms. Miller here?
Actually, no.
What?
Could I have a moment with you outside?
What's wrong? Where's the evidence? Give her copies.
It's gone.
That's impossible.
The evidence on file in our system has been corrupted by a tapeworm.
You did this, huh? I don't know how, but you just made things a whole hell of a lot worse for yourself and Mr. Morgan here. The evidence hasn't disappeared. It's backed up on a flash drive.
We already checked. The flash drive is blank. I'm sorry, sir.
I want the name of the last person who used his pass card to check into that storage room.
That'd be you, sir. Your card was entered into the system.
You can go. It was all a diversion. That's why you agreed to wear that wire to Sonny's house?
Am I to understand that there is no evidence to support my client's arrest? No. In that case, all charges against my client will be dropped, or I will petition the court to see to it.
They're free to go. For now. But I'm not backing off this. I'm not backing off of either one of them.